Hello everybody! Welcome to Class in the Cloud, Phonics with Teacher Simmy. Did you know there are 26 letters in the alphabet? Let's learn about one now. Here comes O. O is the 15th letter in the alphabet. O is a vowel. Let's learn the letter O sound. O goes ah. Now you. This is a capital O. This is a lowercase o. Let's learn to write the capital O. O. Let's learn to write the lowercase o. O. Let's learn some O words now. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. O is for ox. Ox. O is for oranges. Oranges. Let's read a story. Can you find all the O words? The ostrich and the ox shared a box full of oranges. Now you. Good job! Let's recap what we learned. Say the words. Ostrich. Ox. Oranges. The ostrich and the ox shared a box full of oranges.
Well done, everyone. Good job. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. This is Class in the Cloud. I am Teacher Simmy. Goodbye.